Sin and Sod, two confusing letters of Arabic alphabets. Are you also confused? Let's move toward the video. I will teach you in this video how you can differentiate and how you can be pro in speaking the Sin and Sod through the words. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. If you are a newcomer at my channel, so first of all, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you really want to learn Arabic, because at my channel you'll find all the basic information about Arabic so you can learn Arabic thoroughly. Let's move toward the video. Sin and Sod are quite similar in pronouncing and also in their phonics. Sin, Sod, because both have the same articulation point. Both have the same articulation point. They are pronounced from the tip of the tongue when they touch the lower two incisor. This articulation point you can find at my website at the Arabic alphabets pages. Here we write some words so we can the difference. The difference between with Sin and Sod is Sin is a light letter and Sod is a heavy letter. Light letter Sin, heavy letter Sod, Sar, Sor, Sar, Sor. Sar means to walk and Sor means to become. Basic things is the first letter is changed in both. So the meaning is also changed. The second word is saif, soif, saif, sword, and soif, summer. It's a season. It's a weapon. So by changing just the letter which are quite similar in pronouncing, and while pronouncing we don't care we are pronouncing Sin or Sod, but if you are mixing in Arabic you are changing the meanings, so be careful. The next word is asai, asoi, asai, perhaps. There is a doubt, perhaps, and asoi, to disobey. Let's practice it again. Sar, Sor, Saif, Soif, Asai, Asai. Do practice with me all along with the video, otherwise just by listening you can't be pro. Let's move to the next. Fasih, 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 Fasih. Fasih is spacious. And Fasih is eloquent. Basma, 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 Basma. Smile. Basma, impression. So this is the difference because of changing one letter. Mixing by the letters, switching the words, so we can't deliver what we want to say really. Let's practice again. Sar, Saif, Asai, Fasih, Basmah, Sor, Saif, Asai, Fasih, Basmah. Do practice and comment me in the comment box what you learn and what is difficult for you. I will come back to you with a new video wherever you are confused. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also visit my site. The same material you can find on my site. The link of that page is pinned in the comment box. See you then in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.